everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Mystic Crafty Life, and I'm here with hashtag Artist Journal Prompts 2024. It is week 52, totally completed for a year. And the last prompt from Patti, this was hosted by Life with Patti, and if you want to continue this Artist and Journal Prompts 2025, it's on Kiki's channel. And here we go. The prompt was the end. So I went and decided I wanted to color something this morning. And I found this. It says the end. Let's end the year with a bang. So I colored it and then I doodled it. So that is my last page of Artisan Prompt Journal 2024. All 52 weeks. And yeah, I had to play some catch-ups throughout the year, and that's alright. It was fun. I look forward to seeing what the prompts are for next year. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it yet. I will see. You never know. I started late on this last year. I can start a little late this year, or this upcoming year. So, I thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas! And bye for now.